Imagine winning the lottery. 6 numbers just changed your life forever.
$15 million.
With a huge check bringing newfound wealth, your dream home just became a reality. Sounds fantastic, right?
Oh, my God!
I'm about to go along with recent winners for the search of their lifetime.
Oh, David.
Do the $1 million dance. Perfect. This is my lottery dream home. So I am in Racine, Wisconsin, and we are in the upper Midwest. But the water of Lake Michigan is blue. It looks like the tropics. It's probably because it's arctically freezing. Racine is right between Milwaukee and Chicago, and it's clear why my latest winner, Jackie, and her daughter, Monica, love to call it home. It's got a very chill, very relaxing vibe, and so this is really setting the tone for this whole entire venture. It's gonna be amazing. Tell me about your win.
Well, I bought like 8 tickets, and the 8th ticket was the winner.
Are we talking scratchers?
Scratch-offs.
Okay, and how much did you win?
$500,000.
Did that change your world forever?
It did, it did.
We always wished for her to win something big because she would always play, and it finally happened.
All I did was fell back in my chair and then raised my arms.
You were shouting?
I shouted
What
it.
did you shout?
Hallelujah.
Oh, I
you
shouted.
know I'm not gonna
Come on,
say
yeah, you gotta do it. Come on. Give it to me. What's your wish list?
2 to 3 bedrooms.
Okay. Bathrooms?
1 is fine. I would like a dining area.
Do you entertain a lot?
I do.
And this will.
I love it.
This will allow you to entertain even more, won't
Yes.
it? Fabulous. Yard?
Yeah.
Do we need a big yard?
No,
Just something.
just something.
You just want to get into a house. You're
I
just like,
do.
I've done
A
an
nicer
apartment.
neighborhood that's quiet.
What's the budget?
About 100,000. That's my.
100,000.
That's yes. I'm willing to go up to 140,000.
So you want to keep it around 100?
Yes.
You'll go up to 140.
Yes.
I'm excited to get out there and search. I'm gonna get to work. Cedar Bend may not be lakefront, but it's only a couple of miles away in a delightful, well-established neighborhood. Let me tell you a little bit about Cedar Bend. Has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It's a nice size house at 1,536 square feet, and the price is towards the top of your budget at $134,000. Let's go check it out. Come on in.
Wow, this is nice.
Do you like the open floor plan?
I do. I love to entertain, so yeah, this would be perfect.
What kind of entertaining do you like to do?
A lot of drinking and
There we go. That's fantastic. All right, let's continue.
all right.
Great open kitchen right to the living room. There's no space for a formal dining room here, but you could put that table over here very easily.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guest room.
Yeah, this
Yeah?
is nice.
You like it?
And a nice juicy closet.
It's the first time I've heard a closet called juicy.
It's because, you know, when you're used to getting small closets, everything bigger than this.
Juicy.
Yeah, juicy.
Now, it's inappropriate to call a bathroom juicy, right? That's a whole
Yeah.
thing.
But I like it.
Okay.
I like it.
Good. And how about those closets in the main bedroom?
Juicier.
Juicier.
Yes, I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice size.
There's a smaller bedroom in the back of the house, but the real showstopper is downstairs.
Oh, I like this. It's kind of low ceiling, but it's
Oh,
nice.
Well,
nice
typical
table.
basement.
Yeah.
This is your dining area. It makes it a little
Closet.
bit more special.
Yeah, definitely.
Lots of space for you to entertain and sit here for hours. And this
And
is
have
a
the
much
mess down here.
exactly. And come down the next
Exactly.
day and clean it when you want to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 days later. It's fun.
You guys are naughty. I love it. All right, come on out.
Oh,
It's a good size,
good
right?
idea. Yeah,
What would you do back here?
just that.
Party.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yes,
Do you like the house?
I do.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Hopefully I can find something a little bit cheaper.
Okay, so that's for tomorrow, something a little bit more inexpensive?
Yeah.
Then we're probably gonna have a few projects here and there. I'll try to keep them very minimal. 1 block away from Lake Michigan, it's a house that was built in 1884. I love it, it's vintage, it's old, the outside is perfect. Quarry Lake has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, has 1,059 square feet, and the price is exactly where you want it to be, $109,900.
Yay!
You like it?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. Come on in, guys.
Oh, okay, nice and open.
Oh, yeah.
Big rooms, right?
Yeah,
High
definitely.
ceilings.
Yeah, for an older home to have
Yeah.
like 9.5-foot, 10-foot ceilings is
Yeah,
pretty
this
good,
is
right?
nice.
To me, this should be set up as the dining room. You could put a huge table in here.
Right.
And dining rooms, when you decorate them, can be dramatic. They can be fabulous. And what better
fall out
entrance
on
way
the
to
floor.
come into something
Yeah.
like you? Dramatic and fabulous.
Yeah,
Right?
yes.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, so this room here, this is
Yes.
where you have your family TV time.
Big TV on the wall.
Exactly. This level also has the bathroom, and there's a small bedroom right next door. But I think it's the kitchen that Jackie will appreciate the most. This is where we actually start to see the 1800s come into play.
Yeah.
Back then, the kitchens were purely utilitarian. Everything's very disjointed, and to me, this is where you want to tear this wall out, reconfigure everything, so it's more modern day kitchen. So here's the actual kitchen.
Oh, yeah.
It's like,
It's tight. But by just taking this wall out, spending maybe $20,000 on the kitchen, you'd have the kitchen of your dreams.
Yeah,
So it's
yeah.
something to consider.
Yeah, yeah.
So this house has character and space. But for this price, there has to be a catch, right? Well, the main bedroom upstairs isn't quite so roomy. You know,
yeah.
Definitely.
Right.
You do need to
stand
sit
up.
down.
right.
Yeah,
So it's definitely a little bit bedroom challenge compared to the other house.
it is.
Yeah.
It
Right.
is.
But take all of this stuff off and see what's underneath it. You might be able to prop the walls out just a
Right.
little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the outside is definitely not going to disappoint. Can you imagine the parties you would have? Oh my
I can.
gosh.
You know what I like
Yeah.
to do?
Right? What do you think?
It's nice. I love the house, period. It's beautiful.
You love the older house.
I do.
I'm glad I took the chance to show you something with a lot of character and a
Yeah.
little older.
Yeah, that's nice.
What can I do different for the house I'm going to show you tomorrow?
Something in the same price range.
Okay.
You know, less price.
So you basically want all your cake and eat it too. You want completely renovated
Yeah.
at the same price.
Yeah.
All right, I think I have a few options, and I'm excited to show you tomorrow. And this one is called Root River. So this house has been completely renovated. Root River has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, has 1,038 square feet, and it goes for your sweet spot, $109,000.
Fantastic.
Now
Yeah.
we just gotta see if it's sweet enough for you to purchase.
All right.
Let's look at this baby. All right, guys, come on in.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah. Whoa, yes.
Right?
Beautiful.
This is nice.
Yes,
Isn't
it
this
is.
great?
Yeah.
Now, does it look different than the last time you were in here?
Yes.
Definitely looks different. Did a nice job.
Good. Let's sit down for a second.
All right.
Get a feel of the living room. It's definitely on the smaller side.
It is.
Yeah.
Is this enough space for you?
For me alone, yeah.
Okay, great. All right, let's continue. Let's go to the dining area because I know this is one of your most important areas.
Yes.
Right? So here they have a 6-person table, but you could extend this to fit 8 people easily. There's plenty of space here. How many people do you need to fit into your house for
It
entertaining?
depends. It depends,
Depends
on
on
how good I'm
how big of a
partying.
party it is.
Yeah.
Now I know a kitchen is important for you both.
Right.
Let's see if it's good enough for your baking and cooking.
This is beautiful.
It's great, isn't it?
Whoa.
Nice countertops.
Yes, I love this sink.
Sink is
Oh,
great.
yes.
Yeah.
Can you guys do some cooking in here?
Yeah, burn up some stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Off the kitchen, you have a laundry room and a bathroom. And upstairs, you'll find both bedrooms. So this is our first bedroom.
Nice little size.
This could be your closet.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Let's look at the other bedroom. Basically the same size, actually a little bit bigger, right?
Yeah.
Good enough size for you?
It is.
I would do like a really fun paint color or wallpaper and really emphasize that these walls are here.
Yeah.
All right, let's go check out the backyard. It's really cute. Come on out, guys. Nice, big backyard.
Oh, yeah, put
Oh,
a
yeah.
fence around it and call it a...
Yep.
Yeah.
Then you have your
Yes.
place so
Yes.
your friends can hang out, be very private. All right, so what do you think of the house overall?
This is beautiful.
Yes.
I do like the backyard
Good.
back here.
It's nice, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is.
Do you need to see any more houses?
No.
Okay, the choice is up to you.
It is.
You don't have to think about kids or anybody but yourself.
Yeah.
Right.
Fantastic.
Cedar bed.
She's spending the money.
I
people.
am.
She's spending the money.
I am.
What made you decide on that house?
It's beautiful.
It is. It definitely had the most high-end kitchen. It had the best countertops. It had the most space to entertain. That finished basement. If that wasn't there, then I think your decision would be a little different.
I like the way they had the basement set up, you know, for the dining area, especially for the winter months.
Of course. It's perfect.
When I first saw Cedar Bend, it was almost love at first sight. I'm so happy, y'all. I got my own! Hallelujah! The openness, the basement. Well, grab the wine. I love the backyard, and I love having my family.
It's time to celebrate.
You know it. That's who I entertain mostly, is my family. Your mama got her own crib.
That's so awesome.
That's my life right there. We can party.
All right.